You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome. We've got quite a stack of research and articles here, all pointing towards some, well, pretty big shifts happening in finance and tech. Our job today is to unpack the key insights for you, nice and quick.
Absolutely. Things are moving so fast, aren't they? The whole financial world is being reshaped by new tech, different market forces, and, understanding this isn't just for the pros anymore.
Right.
It really matters because it's starting to affect how you handle your money day to day, how you pay, save, everything.
Okay, yeah, let's get into it then. We'll kick off with some pretty eye-popping crypto news, then zoom out to the wider fintech picture and wrap up with something fascinating in AI. So first up, crypto. You probably caught this one circle, the USDC stablecoin folks. Their stock just, tripled after their IPO.
Incredible numbers.
Like a 205% surge, wasn't it? Hit $94.50, market cap around, $25 billion. And ARK Investment jumped in, buying millions of shares. A huge bet on stablecoins. What's this telling us? Is crypto moving beyond just, speculation?
Well, I think the key thing here isn't just that institutions are interested. It's more like a quiet confirmation, maybe, that stablecoins are now seen as fundamental infrastructure, like battle-tested plumbing for global money movement.
Infrastructure, okay.
Yeah. I mean, look at Uber exploring stablecoins for cross-border payments, cheaper, faster. Or Deutsche Bank looking into issuing stablecoins, tokenized deposits.
Correct.
It shows that crypto, especially stablecoins, is really maturing, becoming a backbone for actual real-world use. You see PayPal, Coinbase, Crypto.com, they're all building the pipes, focusing on usability, maybe less on pure decentralization, more on seamless integration. It's quite pragmatic, actually.
And interesting on the political side, too, just noting that the Trump campaign said they'd reverse Biden-era rules that discouraged crypto and 401ks. So clearly there's political attention here as well.
Okay, so crypto moving from speculation to infrastructure, that's a clear shift. But what about fintech overall? The sources we have seem a bit contradictory, like fintech's next chapter is here, but also fintech is still 3% done. How can both be true after a decade of massive growth?
Right. It does sound a bit odd, but it actually highlights a big pivot. We're shifting away from just chasing hypergrowth at all costs.
Okay.
Now it's more about profitability, solid infrastructure, and innovation that works with regulation, not against it. Less focus maybe on flashy consumer apps, more on B2B, embedded finance.
So embedded finance, that's like when banking stuff is built right into other apps, right?
Yeah.
Like shopping,
Right.
Ordering food.
Exactly. That and the core infrastructure behind it all. And yeah, fintech is growing way faster, like 3x faster than the old guard banks, but globally. Financial services is a $12.7 trillion market.
So fintech being only 3% of that, it means there's just immense potential still untapped. A huge amount of disruption is likely still coming our way.
And we are seeing signs of maturity, definitely, like what the UK fintech planning to list primarily in the US now, chasing deeper liquidity. And Monzo, another UK one, just hit over £1 billion in revenue.
True, but there are definitely growing pains too. You look at Synapse Financial Technologies seeking liquidation. That's left millions in customer funds just frozen.
Oof, yeah, that's rough. Imagine that happening to your money.
Exactly. It's a stark reminder of the risks, And regulators are noticing. The UK's FCA is cracking down hard on finfluencers, social media types, pushing financial products for misleading ads. They're even working globally on that. It just underlines how crucial trust and clear rules are.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, building on that idea of really profound change, let's talk about agentic AI. Intuit, the TurboTax, QuickBooks people just rolled out agentic AI features for 100 million users. What does agentic actually mean here? How is it different?
Right. So agentic is the key word. It means the AI isn't just suggesting things like, hey, maybe you should do this. It's designed to handle tasks automatically for you.
Automatically.
Yeah. Think less smart assistant, more like an autonomous agent working on your behalf. It could be doing your taxes, optimizing your business cash flow, maybe even making purchases based on criteria you set. We're seeing hints of this elsewhere too, like Palantir partnering with Bolt on AI checkout systems.
Using shopper data for faster, personalized checkouts.
Okay,
Well,
it's about the AI actively doing the work, not just helping you do it.
so
Yeah.
if AI agents start doing more of the actual buying and managing for us, what does that do to the economy? How does that change things like customer acquisition?
Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? This idea of pricing agentic, it totally scrambles the usual math, especially for what it costs to get a customer the CAC.
Right.
If an AI can just go out and find the best deal or the right product automatically, it fundamentally reshapes commerce. People are exploring totally new pricing models now, maybe a publishing model, or platforms pricing purchase orders directly, even auctions run by the demand side.
Wow, okay.
It points towards a really radical shift in how transactions happen, how value gets exchanged across pretty much every industry, potentially.
And this isn't just consumer tech, right? Apollo's new private credit trading platform, built with giants like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs, that's serious institutional innovation too. So pulling this all together, what's the big takeaway for someone listening? We've got big finance players treating crypto like real infrastructure, fintech growing up but still just scratching the surface, and AI starting to automate financial tasks in really deep ways.
Yeah, I think it leads to a really important question for you, the listener. If financial services really are only, say, 3% done, and these AI agents are poised to take over more and more tasks, how is your relationship with money and with the companies that manage it going to fundamentally change? And probably sooner than we think.
You've been listening to The Vocal Technologist. Tune in next time.